Hey guys, today we will be looking at collision of two objects. So what I mean to say that when we want our this particular capsule to collide with a sphere, how can we do it? So the best way to do it is, the only way we do it in Unity is by adding two objects. So what I mean by collision is, suppose I do it like this and then do it like this. So see, this is a collision, right? Two objects collided and then there's a displacement of this particular object. So this is a kind of collision, what I mean. So in general it won't happen if we disable these two components, rigid body and collider component. So if we disable these particular component, what I mean to say is that if we restart and disable it, I would have done that way only, but let's do it. So, and when we do it after so see this, there is no collision at all. So this is what I'm trying to say, that there is no collision. So what I mean to say is that for collision, two particular objects are necessary. One is the capsule collider 2D and the other one is the rigid body 2D. And for that, what we have to do, we have to enable both these objects, capsule circle collider 2D and these particular objects, and by adding these two particular objects we can make these two particular things collide. And what we can do is that we can click on edit collider. So when we click on the edit collider, this particular object, it basically gives the dimension of the collision, like how we can basically collide two objects, and then we can then decrease the size of a collider, we can increase the size of the collider. If we increase it, the collision will be bigger. So this is how we can change then we can disable it as well. So this is how we can do it. This is all about collision. So again, to reiterate, two components are needed. One is the collider, another one is the rigid body. So the rigid body is like, for the 3D it will be only rigid body, and for the 2D, since we are making a 2D game, we are using rigid body 2D. Same with the collider 2D. Otherwise we will only have capsule collider, which means it is for the 3D. So please keep this in mind. Please like, subscribe and share this particular video. Thanks a lot guys. Thank you for connecting and watching this video.